poem inspired by Bashō's most famous haikus. Everybody a little familiar with that? All right. So, Furu ya kawazu tobikomu mizu no otu. See, this is amazing. Anyway, I'll do a translation. Old pond, frog leaping, splash. The old pond, a frog jumps in, plop.
Yeah.
So that's by Matsuo Bashô, and so this poem, which we can pass out if we like,
Sure.
as long as we say one for us.
Yes, of course.
Oh, thank you. I put you to work passing them
Oh,
out,
no,
too.
that's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have plenty for ourselves.
Thank you. So this is called Heart's Love Speech. My girl
Archaic.
has my raincoat, and I
Adverb.
have never been so happy
Pronoun.
to sit outside, pondside, in the rain,
Verb.
just me and
Subordinating conjunction.
Bashō,
Pronoun. Archaic.
drenched, smiling.
Preposition.
I've all but Yauoooosh
Interjection.
jumped in.
Yay.